Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geeky Codes. Today we are solving an today we are solving an interesting string compression problem using Python, and we will do it with constant space and in place update. So before starting, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well to stay updated daily with with daily Python tutorials. Okay, here is our problem. We have been given an array of characters and we need to compress it in place. For every group of repeated characters, keep the character and append the count. For example, like we have A, B, B, C, C, C. So we have two A's. So it will have A first and then number of times A appears, that is 2, and then B, and then number of times B appears, that is 2, and then C, and then number of times C appears. So the final string should be A2, B2, C3. Okay, and similarly for this array we have only one A, so it will return only A and then 1. Okay, and similarly for uh, this array, like we have one A, so it will be like A, and then we have 12 times B, so it will be B and then 12. Okay, so let's break down the logic. We will use the a write pointer to track where to write in the array, and we will use a read pointer to go through the array and identify group of characters. And if the character is repeated, we write the character followed by the count. Everything happens in place and with the constant extra space. Okay, so first of all we have a list of characters, and we will define an write pointer that will be write equal to 0, and we will have a read pointer that will be I equal to 0, and we will loop through the whole list. So that will be while I less than length of characters array, and then char is equal to char chars I. Here char is the current character that we are looping through, and count will be 0. Now we will loop through the now we will loop through the list again, and it will be I less than length of characters, and chars I is equal to char, and then we will update the value of I, that will be I is equal to I plus 1, and count will be also increased by 1 because we have the same character that is upcoming, and then we will have a write pointer that will write the character, and it will be write equal to char, and it write pointer will be updated here. And now again, if count is greater than 1, if count is greater than 1, count greater than 1, then for C in str of count and chars write equal to C, and write pointer will be updated, and we will return here the write. Okay, so as we can see here that what we are doing is that we have defined two variables, write and I. So write here is the write pointer, and I is equal to I is read pointer. So we are reading every character of the chars list, and then we are checking if it is uh, same for the next one. Then we will update the count, and we will update the read pointer. And when we have finished the count, for the particular set of characters, then we will check if it is greater than 1, then we will add the, then we will append the number of times it has appeared, and then it will update the right pointer as well. So let me try to run it and check if it works or not. Okay, I think there is some error. Okay, I think there was an error of equal, and now let me try to run it again. So as we can see here, it has our code has passed the first test case and second test case and third test case as well. So now I will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases in our problem or not. As we can see here, it has passed all the test cases. That means 76 test cases in our problem. And so time complexity here is big O of n because we go through the entire list only once. And space complexity is big O of 1. Yes, constant because we are doing everything in place. That's it for the today's video, and if this helped you, drop a like and share it with your coding friends, and subscribe to Geeky Codes for more such lead code style solutions with clarity and code every day. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.